Yo, it's tippytoecrypto. Today we're stepping inside hospitals but not with a broken arm. Blockchain just walked through the doors. Yup, tippytoe is scrubbing into healthcare. Let's peek inside. The hospitals are testing new ways to store medical information. Let's see how it's being tested. What is blockchain? Think of it like a digital notebook, but made of digital blocks. Each block is sealed, and only the person with the right key can open it. That's security, that's control, and that's exactly what healthcare needs. Patient medical records. Get a shield. Ever had to retell your whole medical story at a new clinic? With blockchain, your health records stay with you. They're stored securely on your notebook, private, shareable, instant. No more tipping for paperwork. No more we lost your file. You carry your full health history in your digital wallet, ready when you need it. That's trust. That's power. Nurses get an upgrade too. They're the backbone of every hospital. When nurses need critical info, it's there, clear, organized, and up to date. Full confidence, real care, instant access. No losing time when people need care now. Hospitals today rely on fragile supply chains. One delay, one error, that's lives at risk. Blockchain changes the flow of shipments global. It could become a global nurse network. Hospitals with real-time logistics. Hospital information would be organized and fully transparent. Want to work abroad? Remotely? No problem. Scan, approved, go save lives. Hospitals know exactly what's coming, when, and from where. That's how you keep a system running under pressure. From patients owning their data, to the nurses saving lives, blockchains is ready to scrub in. This was your digital notebook. Stay sharp, tippy toe out.